if you guys are watching this, I got it through, but just to let everybody know, I'm having problems downloading videos to YouTube. They're saying the YouTube channel is getting too full. The memory of the YouTube is getting too full or something on that. I don't understand it. I'm going to make this quick video to see if this will work. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. And until next time, I'm going to see if I can figure this out. But if anybody knows what might be happening or whatnot, please leave me a message. Thank you.